Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll make you want to fly high and never come down. On the left, we have the DRONEEYE F10 Foldable Drone, and on the right, the fake-jank Brushless Motor Drone. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be an aerial battle you won't want to miss. Let's start with the elephant in the room: price. The DRONEEYE F10 is priced at a wallet-friendly $79. It's like the discount superhero of drones. Meanwhile, fake-jank is strutting in at a cool $119. For that price, it better come with a personal butler. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but let's dive into the details. The DRONEEYE F10 offers a smooth FPV transmission within 120 meters. That's like having eagle vision, but with a budget. Fake-jank, on the other hand, not only gives you 1080p, but also a 135 degrees motorized adjustable camera. It's like having a head on a swivel. You can capture your neighbor's barbecue and still keep an eye on your dog digging up the garden. Reviewers for the DRONEEYE F10 appreciate its high-quality camera and stable flight, though some mention the camera quality doesn't quite reach the advertised 1080p. Fake-jank's users commend the camera's adjustability and overall decent picture quality, but a few note the video can be a bit shaky. Here's where things get spicy. The DRONEEYE F10 is like the circus performer of drones. It does 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even follows a path you draw on the app. It's like giving your drone a treasure map and saying, "Good luck, buddy." Fake-jank, however, comes in strong with level 4 wind resistance and can zip around at 40 kilometers per hour. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. And with features like 3D flips, gesture control, and custom path flight, it's practically doing yoga in the sky. DRONEEYE F10 users appreciate its fun flight features and ease of control, while fake-jank users love its robust wind resistance and speed. For all our newbie pilots out there, DRONEEYE F10 is your best friend. With one key start, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, it's like the drone is holding your hand and saying, "Don't worry, I got this." Plus, it's got 3 speeds: low for kids, high for adults, and turbo for those who think they're Maverick from Top Gun. Fake-jank, however, isn't far behind. One key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode make it super beginner-friendly too. But let's not forget those brushless motors. They're quieter and mightier, so you won't wake up the entire neighborhood during your early morning flights. DRONEEYE F10 is praised for its ease of use, especially for kids and beginners, while fake-jank users appreciate the quiet and powerful brushless motors. Now let's talk connectivity. DRONEEYE F10 comes with smart app control, voice control, gravity sensor control, and even VR support. It's like your drone is a tech-savvy teenager who's always glued to their phone. Fake-jank one-ups with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission. That means smooth, no-lag videos, even at long distances. It's like having a private drone cinema in the sky. And we all know stable transmission is key. Because let's face it, nobody wants to see their drone footage buffering like a bad internet connection. DRONEEYE F10 users love the variety of control options, while fake-jank users highlight its stable and smooth video transmission. Reviewers generally find the DRONEEYE F10 Foldable Drone to be a good value for its price, offering fun features and ease of use, though some have concerns about camera quality and occasional defects. The fake-jank Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its adjustability and robust performance, but some users have experienced connectivity issues and occasional flyaways. So, there you have it, smart buyers. The DRONEEYE F10 Foldable Drone versus the fake-jank Brushless Motor Drone. Both have their unique strengths, but which one will you choose to be your flying partner in crime? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hilarious and helpful product comparisons. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.